Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm going to be reviewing a mascara for you guys. Why? Because it's a mascara that everybody's raving about on social media and I want to put it to the test. So I refused to use this mascara for the last couple of weeks that I've had it. It's still in the box. I didn't want to use it because I wanted to do a first impressions with you guys and I wanted to see if this mascara really lives up to what it claims. And the mascara in question is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. Now, so many people were ranting about this. Again, they were like talking about it all over social media. Is it worth it? Is it not? It's two full-size mascaras in one. I haven't even opened the box to look at it, so we're gonna do that together. So if you guys wanna learn my thoughts and see my first impressions on the new Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara, then please stay tuned. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's jump right on. So this is the box right over here. As always, her packaging is super sleek and nice. The box says 2 brushes, 2 formulas, 1 legit mascara. Let's see about that, Huda. Let's see. This little pamphlet right here came with the box. And this says Huda Beauty Legit Lashes, 2 brushes, 2 formulas, 1 legit mascara. Again, same thing as the box. It says no falsies, no Photoshop, no retouching on Huda's lashes. As you guys can see, her lashes in this photo look phenomenal and I'm excited to try this. So when you open the pamphlet, this is what you see. The before and after is insane and this is making me more and more excited because I'm a mascara junkie. So let's see what it says. So one side of the mascara is called the Legit Length and Curl. The description for it is the flip side of Legit Lashes features the second step to achieving the best lashes of your life. This unique formula grips onto each lash, delivering extreme length and curl. It's loaded with patented 5mm lengthening fibers that work to mimic natural lashes, so your lashes will never look spidery or stiff. Combine that with a custom curved brush designed with 9 rows of bristles to coat and separate each, and you'll understand why this mascara is truly legit. The other side of the mascara is called Legit Volume. This ultra innovative soft touch formula features low gravity volumizing fibers that wrap each lash with weightless volume that never gets stiff or flaky. With the help of our custom brush that features intertwined petal-shaped bristles, you'll be able to build coat after coat for legit volume unlike anything you've ever seen. Huda quotes, "For me, lashes are the epitome of femininity, which is why I became obsessed with fake lashes since mine are so short and sparse. Finally, I have a mascara that gives me the confidence to go falsie free whenever I want." I added the ever. It says when I want. Okay, and then on this side, it just says Meet Legit Lashes, Huda Katan's debut mascara that's been more than 4 years in the making. Wow, 4 years. This innovative double-ended mascara features 2 full-size formulas and custom molded brushes to deliver extreme length, volume, and curl. No BS claims or Photoshop required. This mascara retails for $27 and it's available in stores and online, which in stores I'm assuming Sephora. Right? It doesn't say it, but that's what I'm assuming. Okay, so enough of that. Let's jump right on into the box and see what's inside. If I can, how do you open this? Push this open. There we go. Okay. This is it right here. Look what it says. Shh, so good. I cheat on my falsies. Let's see. All right, guys, this is it right here. It's actually really big. Let me see if I can show you. So this is my Built to Lash mascara by Temptu, which is like a traditional size mascara. And then this here is the Legit Lashes by Huda Beauty. So this is the comparison that I have right here. Let's see. So I don't really know what to do first. So I'm just gonna follow it in the order that it was written on the pamphlet. So this side is the volume, and then over here you have the curl and length. So in the pamphlet, it was listed the length and curl, and then it was listed volume. So that's the order I'm going to go in. So let's put this baby to the test. This is the curl and lengthen. Let's see how it goes. As you guys can see, it has a really nice curved brush with little like plasticky bristles, which will really lengthen and curl the lashes. So here goes nothing. Mascara always takes me the longest out of my entire beauty routine, FYI. Okay, so it is lengthening it and it is curling them up more. The way I like to get this inner corner is I tug on my eye just a little, and then I just brush those hairs up like that. I'm not gonna use any kind of lash comb or anything to separate this. I really just wanna see what this mascara is all about on its own. And I do notice that some of my lashes are sticking together, but that's totally fine. Okay, that's the length and curl side. Now let's see the volume side. So the volume side has a tapered brush, same kind of material. I think it's like a plasticky kind of bristle. So let's test this out. And I do notice that this is coating the lashes nicely, so they are starting to look a little fuller. Oh, wow. Okay. You guys see that? My lashes are like touching my eyebrows almost. Now the bottom. Gonna pull this again. Let me look in my close-up. Oh, honey. Oh, honey, she was not ready. Oh, yes, honey. Okay, guys, so this is the before and this is the after. So I'm really, 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 really impressed so far with the results of this mascara. Now, I'm gonna do the other eye. I need to take some pictures like this first, so then I'll come back and I'll do the other eye. So just, you know, I gotta take some pictures because this is insane. Okay, so I took my photos because this is insanity. And now I'm gonna do the other eye. So yeah, same process, curl and length, and then the volume one. Now I'm gonna go in with the volume side. And I go from the root to the tip, and I like to blink my eyes when I'm doing it, just because it presses the lashes against the brush better. Okay guys, this is it. Look at my lashes. Like, it's literally touching my eyebrows, look. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's talk about the mascara. I keep staring at myself in the mirror or in the monitor because I'm like so obsessed with it. So as you guys saw, I didn't use any kind of lash comb or anything to separate my lashes because I really wanted to see if this mascara separates and lengthens like it claims that it does. And it really does for the most part. I like my lashes. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea. I like them to be a little bit spidery. I don't know why. Listen, I really don't know why I'm like this. I just love it. I feel like they just complement the eyes better. I'm not talking like the clumpy spidery. I'm talking about like this. This is what I like my lashes to look like. They just make your eyes look awake and I love it. Lengthening. Okay, you guys saw it firsthand. Super, super lengthening. The volumizing on top of the lengthening was like the cherry on top. It really did fill them in nicely, whereas before it just looked longer. It didn't look fuller. But then as soon as I hit it with the volume side, it started instantly looking fuller, which I am loving. And yeah, so let's talk whether or not this mascara is worth it. The price right now is $27 online and in store. Okay, so let's see, is $27 worth it for a mascara? So I'm just gonna go online and I'm going to search L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara because that's one of my favorite mascaras. Now online on CVS.com, you see that this mascara, the Lash Paradise, is $11.99. Okay, sometimes you can have a $2 off coupon, most of the time not. So $11.99, 12 bucks for a mascara, L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Now let's see how much mascara is inside of the container. So, okay, pull up this picture. So it is about 0.28 fluid ounces or 8.5 ml per bottle of L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. And now let's see the Huda Beauty, which is $27, and it claims you get 2 mascaras in one. Each side of this is also 8.5 ml and 0.28 fluid ounces. So this really is 2 full-size mascaras. L'Oreal mascara, you're paying $12 for one. Huda Beauty mascara, you're paying $27 for 2. If you get 2 of the L'Oreal mascaras, it's gonna cost you 24 bucks. So this is really only $3 more than getting the L'Oreal mascara. So $1.50 more per mascara. I think it's worth it. I mean, look at my lashes. I just used L'Oreal yesterday, as a matter of fact, and they did not look like this. So I definitely think it's worth it. It's literally comes down to $1.50 more per mascara since you're getting 2 of them in here. And I think for that amount, I think it's totally worth it. I know $27 comes like, oh my God, that's too much money. I know, for a mascara it is, but you're getting 2 of them. For 2 mascaras, it is not a lot of money. It comes down to $13.50 a piece when you break it down. I'm a numbers girl, sorry guys, that's how I break everything down in my mind. I'm like, if I buy these lashes for 20 bucks and I get 20 uses out of them, it's really only $1 a lash. That's how I break things down and justify paying a certain amount for things. Don't be like me, or maybe be like me so things can make sense to you and you can really see if things are worth it. By the way, you don't have to use both sides. You can always just use one or the other or combine them like I did. You saw that without the volume side, it was still fine to use. I should have did it the opposite way on this side. I should have started with the volume and then went to the length and curl, but so you guys could have seen what it was like with just that on as well, but I'll do it next time. But I really think that this Huda Beauty mascara is worth it. I mean, look at my lashes. This eye I've been wearing for about 20 minutes now because I went upstairs, I took a break, I took photos of this side of my face, I did all that. So about 20 minutes, there's no transfer underneath, which is major for me because I'm sorry, if the mascara looks bomb.com and then it transfers to your under eye, throw it away, I'm not using it. So I see that it's still nice and bright underneath my under eyes. But yeah, so Huda Beauty, wonderful job. I'm really obsessed with this. So that being said, this is 100% Alaha approved. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. I literally cannot stop staring at my lashes. They just look so good. Like, I can't believe that these are my lashes. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this first impressions of the new Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. I really enjoyed filming it because I'm a mascara junkie and I know I had a lot of questions. Oh my God, I got so many Instagram messages asking me if I've tried the new Huda Beauty mascara because I started offering lash lifts. So those of you that are in New York, or around the Long Island area or New York City area, reach out because I started doing lash lifts. I finally got my certification thanks to COVID-19 and having free time on my hands to get certified. So when I posted about lash lifts, everybody's like, speaking of lashes, have you tried the new Huda Beauty mascara? I'm like, I got it on PR, but I want to do a first impressions to see if it's really worth the hype, and I'll film it and I'll let you guys know. So for those of you that were asking, it's bomb. Get it. Definitely get it. Again, it's 2 mascaras in one, so you really can't go wrong. But yeah, so anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me already, please go ahead and follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. All of that is at Makeup by Alaha. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for staying until the very end. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.